Good morning, everybody. We're back, and we're back from Greece. Looks like Greece, doesn't it? No, it's close to Henley-on-Thames, but we've now moved. This is the new garden. Shrunk a bit, but these are the new parts that I've been waiting for probably 7 months. First iteration didn't work very well. Somebody's made these locally for me, and they are now finally superb. So as you can see, this is an end cap. The finish on it is blindingly beautiful, and this is the cap for the exhaust where the flapper valve goes. So they're now going to be available for sale on the website. I'm just going to say a few times just to piss Richard off. They're going to be £249 for the pair. That's end cap and flapper valve cover. I'm going to install them now. I'm going to show you how they work and how easy they are to install. There is a bit of a knack to installing this because you don't really want to take the rear wheel off, and you don't really want to dismantle the exhaust. So stick around, hang on, and I'll talk you through it. So this is where we're going, out here. I tried to get the bike through this gap, but it wouldn't go through. So I found this little cranny here, nook, and there is the bike. So stick around for a bit, and I'm going to show you how to pop these on. You get lots of bike noises, bikes going past in this video. Unlike the old location, things have changed a tad. So that goes in place of there, which is going to look cool. And that goes in place of that piece of crap down there, equally as cool. So I'm going to pop them down, not forgetting front carbon fibre panel on the website lifeisaride.co.uk. So I'm going to quickly show you a bit of a knack to getting these off without any aggro. So please don't laugh at me. I've just been to the gym, wife's gone out, I've decided to have a fiddle. So at the moment you can't reach this nut around the back. I'll show you. You cannot reach that nut. Just physically impossible. So switch the bike on. See if I can do this in one take. Ignore the sat nav, guys. Don't get excited. I'm testing it. It's not looking good. So turn the bike on. Up goes. Go forward a bit. Up goes suspension. Good, eh? Turn bike off. Now we can get to the nut. It's behind here. I'm not even going to bother videoing that because it's literally as easy as this. Got it. Pop them all on the seat. Then buzz out this one. That's going to put you at a funny angle. So take the bike back off, centre stand. And you've got room now to get in there. I think they might have, yeah, they've Loctited these in. It's a bit annoying because I haven't got any Loctite with me. And then this one, definitely Loctited in. Might have to go and buy some. Okay. Ew. Plastic, fantastic. This is where I realised that this one won't fit either. Look at that. Now, hopefully, That comes back a bit. Yeah, there we go. Oh yes. Well, obviously guys, it's straightforward from now on. Reverse, and we'll get those in. The screws in and that'll be on. So just bear with me a second and then I will show you how easy that one is. Looks good so far. What do you think? Answers on the comments. And also, I'm not going to bang these up on the website, but are you happy to pay that? That's the question. Obviously, as a company, we've got to make a margin. It's not a horrendous margin, as you can see, because there's two beautiful parts there. But £249, I think is a fair price. You'll probably get cheeky bastards that want to come out and go, I'll give you 150. Forget it. You know, we make minimal margin on these. So just comment. I'm interested. If you want them, comment. I'll drop you my phone number and you can give me a call. Let's not put these on the website because I think the price is heavy, and I've done a bit of research with some Scottish friends who are notoriously good with money, let's call it that, and they think they're pricey. So they're up for sale, but contact me through YouTube and we will talk together, because I think they are pricey, but they are beautiful. And if you want good parts on your bike, you got to buy them. And I've got to make some money. So stick around. I'll show you how to put the other part on in a minute, the flapper valve can cover. Well, there you go. She's on and she looks bloody good. Better than plastic. Fantastic. Is it plastic? No, it's not. It's aluminium. What a dick. Is it really aluminium? Yeah, it is. Car Sally. Just looks like plastic. How does a company manage to fuck up that badly? Make a really nice piece of aluminium look plastic. I mean, come off it. Yeah, I know. Get comments now. If you don't like the bike, why'd you buy it? Well, the bike's great, but it needs perfecting. So now, we're going in down here, and we're going to pop that off. Okay, shuffled it about a bit, because the sun is not in my video favour. Could probably do with it on its centre stand, but I've got that great big. No, that's fine. Anyway, right, let's get on this. Let's stop pissing around. Right, there's a clip in there that's just fallen out. Where's that come from? Here. Make sure that goes back in, because you're going to need it. Now I would get that one in first. Because I think she's going to be the tricky one. No shit. So pinch the clip up a bit. Make the bastard stay in place. There we go. Hot tip. Hot tip bullshit. Richard would say bullshit, but hey. Getting this on is going to be fun. Right, okay. Already lost the nut. So screw that for a bunch of soldiers. Get the two top ones in. Nick talking shit again. You see these, and then it will line up the rest. And do not deploy the impact on them to tighten them up. So when you call me and say they've cracked, it's down to you. Use a torque wrench on a low setting. Get underneath this one now and pop it on. Set impact driver. There's me telling you to do it now. nip her up, then break out. Oh, love that. Absolutely love it. Then get your finger wrench, little wrench here, and just nip them up. There's no torque setting, just be sensible. Okay, Loctite the hell out of them, which I haven't done because I don't have any. I'm going to get some today. And then that is done. And I'm sure you'll agree. Just nip her up, lovely. Look at that. How can you not love that? I love it. Together with that, and that. It's a serious asset for the bike. It looks brilliant. What's my dog whining about now? Okay, now. Hey, what are you whining for? I'm only out here. Right, guys. That wraps it up. I hope you like them. I may end up putting them on the website, but I want to try them first. I want to make sure that they actually do work. They do what they say on the tin. They don't crack. All that malarkey. So we're at new premises now. Well, premises. We've moved house. So this will not look familiar to you. Ping me a message through YouTube. I will reply. £249 for the pair. I've got a few in stock, but I'm not going to be selling them if they're going to crack or the heat shield is going to come off. So give me a while to test them. But as I'm sure you can see, they look absolutely superb. Thanks for watching. What are you following me for? Following me? Woody! Woody! He's gone off. Come here. Catch you later. Didn't realise the camera follows me.